In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice in PayPal if you regularly bill the same customer for the same product or service. Setting up a recurring invoice can save you time and help keep your billing consistent. Instead of creating a new invoice from scratch each time, PayPal lets you build a repeating invoice series that can be reused automatically based on the schedule you set. Let's walk through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. To begin, log into your PayPal account and head over to your Invoices area. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is where you can access additional settings and tools related to your account. Click that gear icon, then go into Seller Tools. This section contains the business features you'll need, including invoicing options and automation tools. After that, select Invoices so you can view your invoice dashboard. Here, PayPal will show you a list of invoices you've already created. Since we're setting up a repeating one, you'll want to switch over to the Recurring Series tab. This tab is specifically for invoice schedules that repeat over time, so it's the right place to manage subscriptions, regular billing cycles, or ongoing client payments. Once you're in the Recurring Series section, go to the top right area again and click Create New. From the options that appear, choose Invoice. This starts a brand new recurring invoice series instead of a one-time invoice, which is exactly what you need for ongoing billing. Now it's time to enter the details of the recurring invoice. Fill in the required information carefully, including the customer details, the items or services being billed, and the schedule for how often the invoice should repeat. Take a moment here to review everything before saving, especially the billing frequency and invoice content, so you don't have to come back and correct it later. Making sure the information is accurate at this stage helps avoid confusion and keeps your invoicing process smooth. Once those details are entered, your recurring invoice setup is complete. From there, PayPal will use that invoice series according to the schedule you've configured, which can make managing repeat payments much more efficient. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, creating a recurring invoice in PayPal is a simple process once you know where to find the right tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.